Alright, as many of you know, Magic Mountain, well, it's obviously on a mountain. And one of the nice features of this park is they have this thing called the Magic Mover. It's like a vehicular railway thing that'll take you up to the top of the mountain so you don't have to walk up that big steep hill, which is great. I mean, it saves you a lot of walking and great feature to have. So let's go take it for a ride.
While visiting the top of the hill, be sure to take a ride on Ninja, the first suspended roller coaster on the West Coast. Along the travels, you'll see Revolution, the world's first 360-degree moving coaster, and freedom touches as the new colors of Top Secret. For those heading down the hill, Six Flags Plaza offers you a classic ride on the restored 1912 Grand American Carousel. Between coasters, visit two of the park's largest souvenir shops, Six Flags Emporium and the Loop 2 Superstore, and take Six Flags home with you. Or satisfy your sweet tooth with a homemade purchase or a freshly made funnel cake.
Please stand clear of the opening doors.